If you want your single-player progress to move seamlessly between different computers, then syncing your data in Epic Games is exactly what you need. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to turn on cloud saves so your game progress stays updated and available across devices. This is especially useful if you play on more than one PC and want to continue right where you left off without losing anything. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, launch the Epic Games Launcher on your computer. Once it opens, make sure you're signed into the correct account, because cloud saves only work properly when you're using the same Epic Games account on every device you want to sync. Next, look to the top right corner of the launcher window and click your profile icon. This is where Epic hides account-related options and launcher settings. After clicking the profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Settings. Now you'll be taken to the Settings page. On this page, scroll down until you reach the Preferences section. This is where Epic places launcher behavior settings and account-related preferences. Take your time here and look carefully because the option you need may not be at the very top. In the Preferences section, find the option labeled Enable Cloud Saves. Once you see it, check the box next to it. Enabling this option allows supported games to store your save data in the cloud, which means your progress can follow you from one computer to another, as long as you're signed into the same account. After you check the box, your setting is saved automatically in most cases. There's usually no extra confirmation needed. At this point, your Epic Games Launcher is set up to sync supported single-player data more reliably between devices. If you ever switch to a different computer, just sign into the same Epic account, install the game again if needed, and your cloud save should help restore your latest progress. It's a simple setting, but it can save you from a lot of frustration if you play across multiple machines. And that's it. You've now learned how to sync data in Epic Games by enabling cloud saves. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful gaming guides, and leave a comment if you want more Epic Games tips in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.